Hi, I'm Robert Green with the Green Door Group. Welcome to my newest listing at 405 Dogwood in Borger, Texas. One of the most unique things about this property is the view from the patio. When you're out there cooking out and enjoying that family festivity or the time with your friends, you can just look out and see acres upon acres of rolling ranch land. Also inclusive are some screens that you can pull down to help block the wind or keep the sun off the patio for more comfortable entertainment. The primary floor of this home features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, including 3 flex spaces which you could use for office space, den, dining space, however you see fit. The finished basement downstairs includes 2 bedrooms and a bathroom and a living space for a total combined square footage of just under 3,800 square feet. The kitchen features granite countertops, double ovens, updated microwave and cooktop, and inclusive of a refrigerator. This home features an isolated primary suite, which includes the bedroom and a renovated bathroom. This home has had the AC both in the basement and on the primary floor recently updated within the last 4 years per the seller. Thank you for taking your time to check out this listing. If you have any questions or want more information about it, give me a call, 806-690-1909.